Serious. Time to wake up. Sorry. Look at how handsome he looks with his beautiful new haircut. It's Friday. I didn't go to school yesterday. I have early dismissal today. I know you want to smile. I see a little smile. Time to wakey wakey. Did Dave even change you when you're still sleeping? Grown up face. Am I harassing you? So Daniel got a haircut. Look how handsome he looks. Everyone's gonna go, wow, who is this kid? Who is this boy? Man. Henry's giving Dave loving. Yeah, he'll go right in the mouth, right up the nostril. Gonna go to school today. It's gonna snow today. Shocker. I thought it was over. Hi. How you feeling? Today some guys are coming to the house this morning to do an evaluation of the, I don't know exactly what they're going to do. They have to do a home evaluation for the wheelchair. They have to measure everything.
Oh, to make sure it's not too wide for the hallways and stuff?
Yeah, and I don't know if it's something they do when the kids are older and the wheelchairs are bigger, or if it's the new thing, because I've never had them do that before. I have to wait for them between 9 and 11. Hopefully they come at 9 because I have an appointment at 10. And then I said to Larry I was going to go in and work, but now Thomas is getting out early, so I don't know what's going to happen this afternoon, honestly.
So you have like 2 to 5 inches or something.
We'll change that. Damn it. I know I don't like to drive the big van if it's bad. All right, Hans.
Drive anything in rear-wheel drive.
Appointment yesterday. There really isn't anything to report there. From a GI perspective, he gained a little bit of weight back. He's like 77 pounds. And the doctor also agreed with me that we should manage his constipation ourselves instead of giving him Miralax every day like they told me back in December, which I didn't do.
Right.
He said, I don't agree. Now, I wouldn't have recommended that you give it to him every day.
That's for Shankar?
Yeah. And I said, well, that's what they were telling me when he was inpatient, the residents and the, as part of his discharge plan to give it to him every day. And I said, you take it every day. I'm not giving it to him every day. Oh, there's no side effects. The girl was like, there's no side effects.
Yeah, there is.
I said,
there's a side effect to everything.
Huh. Give me a hand.
Grows this, and I'm gonna let him grow the soul patch.
Yeah, sometimes he starts. I usually try to get that off there. Your lips are chapped. You need some lip stuff. Want some lip stuff? Want to put some lip stuff on your lip? Huh? Everyone's going to do this to you today. Here. Did you feel it? It's gone. I'm a happy dog because Ken, the bus driver, gives me a treat every day. And it makes me so happy. So, yeah. Today it's going to snow. And it's kind of upsetting because the kids have early dismissal, which means a very bad thing for Thomas because he's in something this weekend called CMEA, Western Regionals, which is a festival for, I really need a new vlogging camera, which is a festival for middle schoolers from the western part of the state of Connecticut. It's a lot of kids, and they have to audition, and it's a tough audition. Anyway, it's kind of like an all-star thing, and he's in the jazz band. And they usually have some really well-known, jazz director. Anyhow, they have a rehearsal on Friday night for several hours, and then they rehearse on Saturday all day, and then they have a concert. And when there's early dismissal, it's at WestCon, which is in Danbury, which is not far from here. It's a college. But when they have an early dismissal, the kids can't go because the schools close and they don't have after-school activities. And if they don't have that, then the teachers can't go. And if there's no teacher representative, the kids cannot participate. So I don't know how many other schools are having early dismissal today, but it kind of stinks that they have to miss such an important chunk of rehearsal time. Not that I want to drive in 5 inches of snow, but to me 5 inches is nothing after what we've been through. So yeah, they're saying 2 to 5 coming down in the afternoon. It's the first day of spring and we're having a snowstorm. And I think it's just a little trick of Mother Nature, but I'm not going to be fooled. I know spring is coming. Right to 2015. Happy Friday, happy spring, happy snowstorm. For us anyway. Hopefully where you are it's warm and green and you have flowers, at least a few. Maybe some leaves on your trees. Look at how gross this looks. Just like, look, it's like gross. So I'll show you my woods so that like in about a month and a half, maybe 2 months, it'll start to get green. You won't even recognize it. But for now it looks like crap. But it's like everything's waiting to wake up. That's how it feels. So hi, it's Friday. It is like, I don't know what time it is. 11 almost. And the people were supposed to come to do an evaluation at my house for Daniel's new wheelchair. And it's now past the time that they said they were going to be here. And they gave me a window of time. 9 to 11 or something. So I missed my therapy appointment. And I was supposed to go to work right after that, like I would be at work right now, for a couple hours to finish up some things, but I'm still waiting for these guys to come because they won't order the chair without the evaluation, so it's really important. And this is where I say it's very frustrating to have all of these things sort of intertwined with each other. And now I'm missing an appointment, and I'll have to pay a late fee, a missed fee for that, and I'm kind of just wanting to just blow up the day and just curl up because I can't stand it. Every time I try to have things scheduled and organized, make phones, fill up my calendar, one thing gets canceled because another thing doesn't happen. It's really frustrating. It's like noon. I'm rushing into work right now to get some things done. My morning was all messed up. I missed therapy. The guys didn't show up until just a little while ago to do the evaluation. And then I realized that I hadn't bought tickets for Thomas's concert tomorrow, which is at WestCon. And it's in the new concert hall that they have there. They just built a new performing arts center. And apparently it's very small and seating is extremely limited. And in the past, I have never, all the way back to when Sarah was in this stuff, never ever had a problem purchasing a ticket. Usually I would just call up, purchase it, and then they would hold it at the door. So now it's very frustrating because we were so focused on getting to New Hampshire, which didn't require buying tickets, but my brain forgot that this weekend was the Western Regional Festival at WestCon. And Thomas has the one Barry spot for jazz band, so he was really thrilled for that. And I'm just kind of bummed, you know. I mean, I'm sure that if I can't get in, somebody will videotape it and I can buy the CD, but it's just really awful when you forget something like that, you know. I am sure I will get the Plan Ahead lecture, and honestly, I keep saying this, I need some kind of a better calendar system or something that will help me because I can't keep track of everything anymore. I don't know why, but it's just I think it's just because I have too much to do. It's just way too much for me, and I'm losing my brains. Now I have to go to work because yeah, and it's about to snow. Yep, we're gonna have 5 inches of snow at least. So yeah, everyone's coming over. Somebody put a question on the mommy website. It was like, what do you do to calm yourself down when you're stressed? I have to think of those things. I have them written down. I can't unstress right now. I need to though. Oh boy. Okay, so yeah, it's the first day of spring, and yeah, look what's happening. Just cleaned off my car. I'm at work, and lovely, right? Yeah, happy spring. Damn. At least I got some work in today, since everything else was canceled. Now I just have to drive home safely. And I should have probably checked with my nurse. I don't think he wants to leave early, because he usually likes to get his hours in, but I have awesome nurses. I mean, I couldn't do anything without them. They really, really are. It's looking kind of slick out there. So, yeah, we'll check in when I get home. What a day. Some activity up here. Got some activity up here. Got some activity up here. Something's going on. Oh my God, you know what that was? This is Pothole Alley. Remember I talked about it? Well, this road actually isn't the one I was on, but it's still a bad one. And that poor car back there, it looks like the whole, the axle or something was like, there's like long pieces of metal that were broken underneath the car, and one of the tires was off. So what does that mean? Those poor kids must have slammed into a pothole and had the car fall apart. So that sucks, man. It is really snowing now, and it is really slippery, and I do not like driving in this at all. Typically, I'm in the house before it's this bad, but if I was in the other car, I would be more comfortable because it's got great tires and it's four-wheel drive. But I drive the crappy car, and yeah, it's not very safe for me. But oh well. Taking it slow in the snow. Why do we have snow? It's really gotta go. Okay, seriously? It's March 20th. First day of spring. Isn't that lovely? Looks like spring, doesn't it? Daffodils are blooming. The grass is green. The birds are singing. The sky is blue. Pretend, everybody. Come on, work with me here. Here is warm. We're wearing shorts and flip-flops. Holy moly. Yep. Yipper-da-doos. Yipper-da-doos. It's just snowing out there. In March. What a winter we have had. And today's not winter anymore, so you're supposed to stop. Spring. It's not winter spring. It's not wing or sprinter. Sprinter, that's what it is. It's my new word. Welcome to sprinter. Sprinter is this. This is it. That ladder that we had to climb up on the roof to get the ice with. Right, hen? I really don't want to go out there again. This fire needs more wood. I need to go to bed. But Dave's going home. Dee 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 dee. Yep. March 20th. That's what it looks like. Hi, Schmoopy Dooper. Watching Dolphin Tail? Hey, you know what? Dave went home because it's snowing and he needed to get home safe. Okay, did he tell you? I'll do your meds, okay? You resting? Yeah? Good boy. I love you. I love you.
So don't blame Hazel for anything. If you're gonna blame someone, blame me.
What happened to Winter? dolphin tail too. Come on, Winter. This is when winter meets hope. Oh, we love these movies with the dolphins.
Okay, Kat, go ahead and release Hope.
Nobody move. Nobody move.
Here they come.
Who's here?
Accept.
Hi, Theo. Oh, here we go. I know, I love Theo and Henry. Come on, everybody's happy. Be good. Yeah. Thomas is making brownies. Daniel just fell asleep. Yeah, that's fine. That'll cook into the, it'll just blend in. It does look kind of soupy. I'm not sure. Don't eat. Oh, gross. Put the eggs back, please. Ugh. All right, Harry, we gotta do it, buddy. We gotta go out in the snow. It's still snowing. This is insane. Look at that. That's not 3 inches. That's more than 3 inches.
They said 2 to 5 miles.
They said 1 to 3 where I was listening. All right, hon. Let's go outside in the snow. Let's go. Time to get all bundled up.